Alright, today we have got a question which says an auto rickshaw takes 2 hours to cover a distance of 24 kilometers. So the auto rickshaw takes 2 hours to cover a distance of 24 kilometers. This is our first case of the question. Let's see what other information is mentioned. If the speed is increased by 4 kilometers per hour, find how long will it take to cover the same distance. There are two different cases in this sum. The first case is, let's say case 1, a time is mentioned, that is 2 hours, and a distance is given, that is 24 kilometers. This is our case 1. So the time is mentioned, the distance is mentioned, we can find speed. So what will be the speed in this case? We know the formula for speed, that is distance by time. So in that case we can write 24 by 2. If we cancel, it is 20 kilometers per hour. I think this part of the sum is quite clear to everyone. Time was mentioned 2 hours and distance was mentioned 24 kilometers. So in order to find speed, the formula says distance by time. So 24 by 2 is 12 kilometers per hour. Now let's see what it is said in case 2. Now let's move on to case 2. Now in case 2 they have said if the speed is increased by 4 kilometers per hour, the speed that we got in the first case was 12 kilometers per hour. So what was the old speed? The old speed was 12 kilometers per hour, and this speed is increased by 4 kilometers per hour. So we will be adding 4 kilometers per hour to the old speed, and what exactly we get? We get 16 kilometers per hour. Now this is what? This is our new speed, and you need to cover the same distance. You need to cover the same distance. So what will be the distance in this case? The distance will be 24 kilometers. Just pay a bit of attention. The speed that we get in case 1 was 12 kilometers per hour, and they have said to increase the speed by 4 kilometers per hour. So 12 plus 4 is 16 kilometers per hour, and you need to use this speed in order to cover the same distance, that was 24 kilometers. So you need to find the time. So in order to find time, what is the formula? The formula is distance by speed. We all know the formula, that is distance by speed. So in that case 24 by 16. 24 is the distance and 16 was the speed. So now if we start cancelling, if we cancel it by using 4, so 4 6 ja 24 and 4 4 ja 16. Now if we cancel by using 2, 3 and this is 2. So 3 by 2, or it is 1.5 kilometer per hour, and this is our final answer. Done.